When buying a car from Japan, customers wonder, how do I buy a car correctly? Which defects are considered acceptable and which are considered not acceptable? Let's figure it out by examining this car as an example to determine the acceptable criteria for defects. She has her own defects, although the rating is 4.5. Let's figure out what defects the car has. The checklist indicates the presence of a second-degree scratch on the front bumper. Should this scratch be painted or polished to restore its original appearance? The subsequent defect is documented as a first-degree scratch, although it is extremely challenging to capture it accurately on camera due to its subtle nature and the limitations of photographic technology. In my opinion, the third defect is already quite serious. Let's take a look. Here we can see a scratch and a dent of the second degree. I see and touch her, experiencing her presence through my senses. There exists a scratch of first-degree magnitude on the rear bumper. This scratch will be completely eradicated through the process of polishing. Front left fender, scratch of the first degree. In my opinion, it will not be able to be removed by polishing. Upon close inspection, there is an additional first-degree scratch present. It will completely disappear with the application of polishing, but it is not included in the checklist. The subsequent problem with this car is the replacement of the hood. The reason for its replacement remains unknown. The checklist shows that there are scratches on the wheels. On the left side, they are in perfect condition. Defects have been identified on the right rear wheel. The checklist specifically mentions the existence of scratches and dents on this particular wheel. Usually they are minor. If it had been stated that it was significant, they would have specifically mentioned it. Right now I found a defect. Here it is. It's a chip on the door. When the door opens, it has chips. Our company will provide assistance in purchasing any car located in Japan. We will buy, deliver, and if necessary, handle customs clearance procedures to ensure a seamless process for you.
Looking for a good and reliable car? Visit Carvector.com. Car buying from all Japanese auctions, full service, best prices, worldwide shipping.